In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own physical NFT merch store. Also, I'm going to be giving away swag later on in this video, thanks to Uniqly.io, who sponsored today's video. And I've worked with them in the past because I'm a huge fan of what they do. They allow creators to take physical items and turn them into NFTs. And then these NFTs can be traded in the aftermarket. And also, it's very simple to transfer these NFTs or gift them to someone. And whoever's holding the NFT has the option to continue holding, trading, transferring, or they can redeem it for physical merchandise. And all Uniqly merchandise comes with a proof of authenticity that you can verify with your phone. And the materials and packaging for Uniqly products are very high quality. And it's now possible for you to create your own store in just under 10 minutes. It's very simple. In the past, they only worked with big brands such as Cyberkongs, Medikey, and Subdux. But everything changes now. It is open to everyone. So if you have a small business or even a big business, or you have a brand or an upcoming project, or basically in general, if you're an innovator who wants to expand, you can use this product. So let's go ahead and create our own storefront. And we're going to head over to Uniqly.io and you will see the option to create a store. This feature will go live for the public on October 26th. And there's going to be two options for us to choose. The first option is ready to ship. This is if you already have a product and you handle production and shipping, but you want a visual storefront and also you want to tokenize your assets. You will choose this option. But for this video, I'm going to select made to order. This is where Uniqly basically takes care of everything. They handle the visual marketplace, they do production, packaging, shipping, basically everything. So I'm going to go ahead, do made to order. Call my store name the Bitcoin Express. I'm going to create a URL, also a store description with my old saying, welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. I used to say that in all of my videos. I don't say it anymore, but it still holds true. So save and next step. And then we can select the networks and tokens we will accept as payment. So I'm going to choose for Ethereum all of the options. For Polygon, I'll choose Matic, and I'll also choose BNB. There's also an option where you can add any ERC20 token. So maybe you want to accept Shiba Inu, for example. Then we're going to go ahead and enter all of our social media channels. And then we're going to add an avatar. And we can see in the format guidebook that the image should be 600 by 600. And I make all of my images in Canva. For example, here's my avatar image. And if I go over here to resize, I can see it's 600 by 600. Save and next step. And same thing over here for header. We can see the format guidebook shows that it should be 2204 by 500. So same thing, I'm here back in Canva and I can see it's 2204 by 500. This will be my header. Save and next step, and then upload a background. Now here's where things get really interesting. It's very cool what we can do with NFT marketplaces. So for our products, we can give it to anyone or we can make it exclusive. For example, you need a certain NFT in order to get this product. So you can list NFTs from Ethereum, Polygon, or BNB, ERC721 or 1155. And let's say I want this drop to be only for Doodles holders. I would enter the Doodles contract address. And there's a lot of customization features. For example, how many they need to own or how long did it have to be in their wallet. And you can also do the same thing for tokens. So you can add an ERC20 token or a token on Polygon or BNB. And you'll say, only people that hold this token can get this product. And you may need to own a certain amount of those tokens. And then you can also just keep it simple with a whitelist. You can add names of people and their addresses. But for my product, I'm not going to select any of these and head to the next step. So at the moment, I can add up to 3 products. They do mention that if you want to add more than 3 products, you can contact them and they'll work with you. So I'm going to add a new product. I'm going to choose a t-shirt and I'm going to make it the color black. Same thing, if you'd like to add other types of product, please contact Uniqly. So let's go ahead and design this shirt. It's very cool. It's 3D. You can swerve it around. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my image. Again, I made this image on Canva. So here is my design. It's Doodle 8900. That's my doodle. And then GM, which is a very popular saying in the crypto and NFT space. It means good morning, but also just a friendly way to say hey or what's up. Make sure, of course, when you do GM, it's lowercase. Never allowed capital. And then once you have that image, you can mess around and you can move it to the right. You can move it down. You can rotate it. But for me, I'm going to keep it exactly where it is. I think it's perfect placement. And I wanted to create a shirt that I feel anyone can rock in public. And I think it's a good conversation starter. So this is the minimalistic tee that I'm going with. And then I'm gonna set the price, and there'll be a breakdown of the production cost, the Uniqly fee, and then the final cost. So I want the final cost to be 30 USD. So I'm gonna set it at 27.62. Next step, I'm going to give my t-shirt a name and a description. And then for amount, I'm going to keep it limited at 30 pieces. But for anyone that can't make it in time for the drop, I'm also going to give away 10 free t-shirts on Twitter with free shipping included. So I'm gonna leave a link for Twitter in the description down below. And to enter, all you have to do is retweet, and I will pick 10 winners to send this merchandise to. Then we're going to enter the metadata, so the Bitcoin Express, color black, and then for an attribute, I'll do style, doodle 8900. So here's my product, and we can actually preview what the store would look like. So here is what my store is looking like so far. I may go ahead and edit it. This line over here is not looking too good. I want this to maybe be one solid color, so I'll go back and edit that later. And then here is my product. If I click on it, it will bring us to this page with all of the breakdown. It will show the style, the color, the t-shirt. And then here's an image of the shirt. This is just what it looks like now, but when it actually goes live, it'll look a lot more beautiful. For example, it will look something like this. And we can see for the payment options, there's crypto and fiat coming later, and then the networks that I chose to accept payments in. Then we're going to create a smart contract, give it a collection name, a token symbol, and then a wallet address. This is how you will be paid. And funds will be sent directly to your wallet after each transaction. This is definitely one of the big benefits of blockchain technology. And coming soon, there will be a feature where your merch site can be accessed directly from a domain that you already own. Then we're going to enter contact details. And for my launch date, I'm going to make it October 26th. This is when the product actually goes live. And then I'm going to choose the duration of how long I want this store to be open in the beginning. You can add to that later on. And it's going to be 0.05 ETH per month. You can pay in crypto. Later on, there will be a fiat option available, and you can choose between Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. Right now, I'm using the beta product, so you can see it's 0.0005, but the real price will be 0.05 ETH. And for that price, you get everything. You get a visual market, you get production, you get preparation, you get shipping. But there's actually a competition going on with Uniqly, and they're going to give away 6 months free to 10 people. So from today until October 26th, there will be an application form where you can submit a store idea for Uniqly. And Uniqly will pick the top 10 best ideas and grant them 6 months free access. And the second part of Uniqly's competition begins after 10/26 when the store is live. So after it goes live, people will go ahead and create their stores. And Uniqly will actually be picking the top 3 stores and rewarding them in Ethereum. And this will run until November 25th. So the top 3 creative stores will get 2 ETH, 1 ETH, and half an ETH, a bonus reward for the store with the most sales, 1 ETH, and then additional rewards for selected stores in the form of digital NFTs. So make sure when you do this to submit your form over here. I'm gonna leave a link down below for this page. So 3 giveaways going on. I'm giving away merch on Twitter. Uniqly will be giving away 6 months access to 10 people, and also they will be choosing 3 winners to win Ethereum. And if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll do my best to answer. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.